We finally made it into Dublin and we're walking under the bridge for Christchurch. It's pretty cool. And we did an Adventure Lab stop already and we're just coming up to another one. So we're going to combine Adventure Lab stops with geocaching as we explore Dublin. One geocache and Adventure Lab at a time.
She just goes,
it's the Titanic! It's the Titanic! Oh, wrong movie. This is a Viking ship. You gotta do a selfie like this. Like this. Got it. What do you think?
well, you can see.
You can kinda. So the next up is an earth cache, but apparently you need a boat. You have to measure the stalactites from underneath there, kind of thing. So we're kind of trying to spy it from here to see if we can get it. I doubt it. We can actually see from here. I got a picture, and I'll show you the pictures here, right here. And then you can actually tell the color, which is one of the questions. You have to know how long the stalactites are and the color. Also, we needed a picture of ourselves at the bridge, and we needed the information from a plaque, which is over there. And we got that information, so I think this virtual is complete. Right there. So we need those letters right there to get a picture. Oh yeah, cool, look.
Can you tell them to us to make sure we
Yeah, okay, hang on.
Yes.
M D C C C
1, 2, 3.
V
D.
V as in Victor L.
So MD, C, C,
3
C,
C's.
MD, so doctor, 3 C's, C, F, V, L.
V L.
Did you do it?
Not yet.
That works.
Okay. Well, that was pretty cool. The security guard, there was ropes all around. Couldn't get to the statue, so we figured out, he had to figure out which one was the bigger one. Got that, but then it was the corner. Just couldn't see around. So the security guard, he allowed just one person, me, to go around and take a picture and get the Roman numerals we needed from the kind of the back corner side of the statue. We got it. Now we're going to the Dublin Castle. Okay. 30 meters, 29. We're getting closer.
Get it.
We're getting there. It's going to open soon. Soon. It's going to open. Doing a lot of restoration work here on Dublin Castle. Do we got to go through that gate? I think so. We do.
You do?
Yeah.
Alright.
Here we go. Before it's going to open up, yeah. Oh, we got to go north. Wait a minute. Hold on.
We're going away from it.
Yeah, we are. We got to go over here. Almost made a wrong turn. We're going too far. Got to go this way. Answer.
Mine's not open yet.
On the wall, near a low gate, you will find a brown plaque with information about Powder Tower. Okay.
Because there's a plaque right here.
Okay. It says near a low gate.
Commission?
What was the very last word of the English section? English section.
Section.
Still looks like a jail.
Yeah. It's not here, but we found
But it might be out outside here.
the jail, we think. Yeah, looks like the jail.
Not a plain overview.
Ooh, that's a small cell. So we were right when we were up top, and the information panel is right here, and the gate to the other part is right here, and the downward part that we're at is over here. Just needed to look a little closer, pay attention. The virtual that's located right here, you just need a picture showing the Powder Tower and what it looks like on the day of your visit. Here we go. Say cheese. Got it. Next up, the central courtyard of Dublin Castle. is where all the important stuff happened and all the people marched. Yep, that way. Here at Dublin Castle Gardens, there's an earth cache to complete as well. After we view all the wonderful gardens here, the flowers, the fragrances are just amazing. And we're having yet another incredible weather day here in Ireland. Just moseying around, finishing an Adventure Lab stage, and just happened to be near a location for an Adventure Lab bonus cache that is right here. So we managed to get all the information and get it right and find the cache. So that's pretty cool. Now we're headed off to the museum and the temple pub. Have you heard the song Cockles and Mussels, Molly Malone? It's a song Karen's choir sang quite often. Next up, the statue and virtual of Molly Malone. It has been said that touching Molly's breasts was good luck. So it's not unusual to see tourists capture photos of themselves grabbing Molly's bosom. Look at how discolored her breasts are. That shows how much they've been rubbed. Well, we're now in Temple Bar, one of the most famous bars and pubs all in Ireland. And it goes back to the date of 1599. And his son, 1656, helped build the seawall. And then when the place started to get run down, people moved in with cheap rent, and then it started to build up. And now the Temple Bar is one of the most famous pubs in all of Ireland, and it boasts 450 rare and interesting whiskeys, making it the country's largest selection, right here in the Temple Bar. We finished our day with a tour and tasting at Jameson Whiskey. Thank you. We did a lot of touristy stuff as well. Thanks for watching. Where will geocaching take you? So how was the soda? Is it good?
Because it's ginger beer. So there, Dave, back in the day, did you get a glass of whiskey? Did you get a glass of whiskey morning and evening at Cami?
No, I didn't.
Did you do a dirty job?
No, I didn't.
Maybe that's why you didn't get it.
No, I didn't have a dirty job.